Hi guys, welcome back to Scripted Success Master. Today we are at chapter 12 and we will learn sort function and sorting of the table with the another two methods. Okay, let's start. So let me introduce first the table. We have names of the students with specific subjects and their respective marks. Okay, now we will learn how we will sort this table with the different three methods. Okay, first method is simple. Just select the table, filter the table with this option which we have seen already in the tool bar chapter. Click on the create filter. Table will look like this. Okay. Now you can click on this button and you will see sort options here. So sort by A to Z means sort this marks from low to high value or Z to A high to low value. Okay. So let's try once. Z sort to. So highest number will be above, lowest will be below. So this will change whole table because the filter we have put is for the whole table. Okay. I'll do Control Z. Let's say we have to filter it by subject. I'll do sort A to Z in the it's increasing order A to Z, so it will change it alphabetically from A to Z. Whole table will change accordingly. This is the simple method where only at a time one column you can consider for sorting. Okay, I'll do Control Z. This is the first method. I'll remove the filter so it will be back to the normal table. Now we will go to the second option, which is from data menu. Okay, so first of all, let's select the table which we need to sort. Go to data. Here you will see two options for the sorting. First, sort the sheet, and second is sort the range. As we have selected the specific range to sort, so we'll go with this option. By default it will tell you these columns because my active sale or this blue bracket is at the column A, so it is showing sort range by column A to Z, or sort range column A by Z to A. But we want to sort by column C. Let's say we have to sort by column C. So what we will do, we'll go with the advanced range setting option. So I'll click here. Here we have an option to select the headers. Okay, I'll I'll show you the difference in both. Okay, let's say subject is at a column C, so I'll select the column C by A to Z and I will sort it. So see what happened, it has taken the headers also to sort. This is not how we want, so let's do Control Z. Let the table get selected. Click on the data, click on the advanced range, click here to remove the headers from sorting. Click here. So by default you will get the options here for the headers. So now what we need to sort by subject. So I'll put as a subject sort, and whole table will get sort from the subject. One benefit of the sorting table from this data menu is nothing but we can sort the whole table with the multiple criteria. Let's say I want to sort this table by column C and then column D. Means let's say I want to sort it by subject. So by default alphabetically English is coming first, and I want in the English means in these four students who is the top, that also I want to. So I want to sort it by column C and column D, means by subject and marks. So what we can do, select the whole table, click on the data, go to advanced range setting, select the headers. Now what you can do, I'll select the subject first by A to Z and add another sort column. Here I will select the marks. I want marks from Z to A, means highest to lowest. So I click on this and I'll ask them to sort. So what happened? By default subjects got sorted by alphabetically and highest mark in that subject comes at the top. This is as simple as that. Okay. Now let's say I want the original data again. So what's the check here? You already have the serial number column here. So what we can do? Select the whole table again. Select the data. Advanced range setting. Select the heading. Sort it by serial number A to Z. Click on sort. Now your table is back to the normal, whatever the original data. So serial number column is always helpful when you want to go back to your original format instead of changing it to subject or marks. Okay, so we have learned this second option for a sorting. Okay, now third option will be through sort formula. This is as simple as that. What we can do, I'll copy the heading and I'll just paste it here. Now what I want to do, I want to sort this data table through sort function. So what I can do, one more catch, when you are using sort function you have to ignore the headings, and heading you have to copy paste, and the data where information is there you have to select that only. Okay, so I'll teach you on a sort table. Click on the cell where the table is getting started. Click is equal to always for the or any function. Type sort, so it will show you the option. Click on a sort, so it will tell you what to select and in what range. Okay, now what it is saying, first we have to select the range, so we have to select the range keeping or ignoring the headings. Okay, now comma, what it is saying, which column you want to sort. Let's say I want to sort it by column C first. So what I can do, we have to put the numbers, like first table may subject column is at the third position. This is first column, second column, third column. So what I will do, I'll click on 3 comma, is ascending or descending. Ascending you have to put 1, for descending you have to put 0. Okay, and I'll do complete it. I'll click on this. So you can see the table got sorted automatically as per the subject and Z2A because we have selected descending order. Okay, what is the difference by using the data sorting from here and the formula? Formula will be always dynamic. So whenever you change the subject here or the data here, it will get auto sorted. Let's say by mistake I have put math marks for Rahul as a 78, but actually he got a, let's say, 89. Okay, I'll click on enter. So you can see Rahul marks got auto adjusted to 89 here. Let's say we'll do below kind of 60. So I'll do 50. So it has got changed again. Okay. Same thing if I change the sub subject by something else, control C, I'll put the science again, control V, the table again got changed as per the setting I changed. So this is fully dynamic. I'll do control Z so that we will be back to the normal. Now in the formula we can do sorting with the multiple options also. So we'll continue with this range. I'll continue with this option only, or I'll just delete it and I'll teach you again. Again you click on is equal to and type sort tab or bracket. You have to select the range comma, first I want to sort it by subject, so 3. I want, let's say I want that in ascending order, so I'll put a 1 or true. You can type true also or you can put 1 also, comma, next is sort column 2. So next column I want to sort is column D, so it will become the 1 2 3 4th position, so I'll put 4th. And what I want that in descending order, so what I can do, I'll just put 0 and I'll close the bracket. So what will happen, subject will be sorted by A to Z because we selected the ascending order, and marks will be sorted as a descending because we have selected 0 in the formula. So this is the difference between three different methods. First by filter function, second from data, and third from the formula. Always I used to prefer formula when I know कि my original data set will change with the time. So what I can do, I'll use formula when I know my table will not change the data, so I can use data sorting from here. Okay, and when I know just want to sort only one column from the table, I'll use the filter function. So this is the clear difference between three types or three methods for the sorting. Hope you enjoyed the video and you like the content.